An online tutor friend of mine, Suzanne Davis, who is an academic writing coach, sent me a question that was in Quora this week, inquiring if YouTube marketing was worth it. And the first answer was no, it's not. Now, Suzanne sent me a link to this because she knew I would disagree with this. In fact, if you saw my video about the YouTube conference I have going on next week, then you would have heard my story about how I got my first client from Australia. So I began making videos in hopes that people would be able to find me, and guess what? It worked. Hey tutorpreneurs, my name's Joanne Kaminsky, and I've been tutoring reading online since 2010 and helping online tutors start or grow their online tutoring business since 2012. And today I'm going to show you 3 mistakes that online tutors make with their YouTube channel. Now, people all over the world have access to YouTube, and today it is the #2 social media tool. It even beats out Facebook. And I have personally seen people just go to YouTube to do a video search instead of going into Google and clicking video. Why? Well, if you want a video, it just makes sense to go there, right? What I love about creating a YouTube page is that it's free. It really levels the playing field for people who are looking to get found by people from all over the world. Now, the problem is some people only make a few videos and they decide if it's even worth it. And this did work back in 2010 when I started. In fact, I used YouTube to store some videos that I wanted to share with people, and people accidentally found me. And today, people have to be a little bit more strategic with using YouTube. If you just put an About Me video up there, it will get very few video views over time. Now, today, people have to be more strategic. They need to decide how often they will upload videos, think about how they will share their videos, and grow a following. And this will help people to not just view your videos once, but continue to come back again and again. And this keeps you and your business on top of their mind and lets them know that you are serious about being of service to them and just not being hired. Now, the second mistake that online tutors make with YouTube is that they don't choose an ideal client. They create whatever comes to their mind and put it on YouTube. Now, what if you love teaching academic writing, like my friend Suzanne? Then you can be more strategic. You can find tools that would be best for them to use online. You can show them how to write research papers, and you can point out the biggest mistakes that students make and share how to fix them. I wouldn't be able to go into those kinds of details if I taught writing to kids in kindergarten to adult. The content that would be useful for a writer just starting out and the information that is necessary for older writers is completely different. And the way that I approach the video will even be different. I mean, with younger students, I might incorporate puppets and fun animation. With adults, this might turn them off and turn off your video before you even say hi. The third mistake that online tutors make with YouTube is creating each video one at a time. They write the script, record the video, and then edit it. And they do this each and every time, and it becomes a huge time waster. And if they planned out their content, they could do some batch processing. For example, you could spend some time writing out some scripts while you have your writing brain on, right? Then the next day, you can film all those videos for the next month. Then another day, you can edit the videos and then schedule them on YouTube. And this is going to allow you to have content that's ready to go, and you have only put out 3 days worth of work into it. And the rest of the month, you can be thinking about the next month's content and go through the same process. And this helps with staying consistent. I even know people, including myself, who create a YouTube content creation plan for 6 months out. This allows people to have a good handle on what it is that's going to be created and when it's going to be created, so that really that creative process can happen. Imagine if you worked for a TV studio and you only planned your content for the next video. What do you think the producers would say? They most likely wouldn't be very happy with you because you can't think through all of the elements that need to take place. It's kind of like going on a trip and packing that morning. I used to do this all the time, but I would forget really important items. So once I forgot my medicine, another time I forgot shirts. I mean, seriously, who forgets shirts? But I did. So you need to take your YouTube material seriously too and batch process them. And then you can begin looking at the YouTube analytics. Now, don't get stuck into checking analytics every single day because it's going to frustrate you. So maybe every other week or every month you check what the numbers look like, and you'll begin to see that you have more people following you each time. Now, the more that you create, the more that people get to see you and have the videos to be able to get to know, like, and trust you. And also YouTube's gonna start noticing you as well. And they may even start suggesting your videos to people. And how much did this cost? Nothing, just a little bit of your time. So is it worth it to be able to get people to find you from all over the world? I definitely see it as a benefit. I love what I do, and I love serving people in a meaningful way. And I love teaching tutors how to do this for themselves as well. So if you've liked this video, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so that you can be notified when new content comes out. Also, if you're watching this in time for the conference that starts August 27th, come join us. It's only $1, and you can learn how to set up a successful YouTube channel and so much more. My name's Joanne Kaminsky, and here's till next time.